Hey there, this is Reuven Lerner. This week, as most weeks, I was teaching Python courses at a bunch of multinational corporations. This week, as it turns out, I taught advanced Python classes at 3 different companies. And at each of these companies, people asked me the same question, which is, okay, we've been using Python for a while. We've now gone through your advanced course. Where can we learn even more? How can we improve our Python knowledge beyond what we already know? Now, it might sound a little strange that advanced, experienced Python users who have just been through an advanced class want to learn more. But the fact is, the more you know about something, the more you know that you don't know, you know? So even if you've been using Python for a while, the odds are pretty good you don't have a complete understanding of such advanced features such as iterators, generators, decorators, threads, objects, and a whole bunch of other things, including a number of popular packages on PyPI. My solution and my proposal for people who want to improve their Python fluency is weekly Python exercise. I've been running weekly Python exercise for several years now, and in each 15-week cohort, you get a new problem every Tuesday, the solution every Monday. You get hints as to how you should solve it with pytest tests, so you're also improving your understanding of testing. You can participate in our private forums, sharing your solutions and asking your questions of me and of the others in your cohort. And I have office hours where you can come and ask questions of me live as well. Weekly Python exercise is the best way that I know of to improve your Python fluency. That'll help you to get a better job than the one you have now, or to do your current job better, faster, and of course, more Pythonically. If you are an experienced Python developer, I argue that 6 months or more of daily use, then I strongly suggest you take a look at weekly Python exercise. It will help you to improve your Python. It will help you in your career. If you are a beginner Python developer, don't worry. New cohorts of weekly Python exercise for beginners will start in January. But for now, November 5th, a few days from when I'm recording this video, that's when the new cohort begins. Sign up by then, or you'll have to wait another few months to improve your Python fluency. I hope you will join this new cohort of weekly Python exercise. If you have any questions at all about whether it's for you, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I look forward to seeing you in this new cohort.